Hey friends, we're back with another episode of Tuesday Tutorials, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about Black Friday emails because that is where we're heading at the moment. Hopefully, you're all on top of your campaigns. Hopefully, if nothing else, this gives you some ideas or some things to think about when you are designing your campaigns. If you're already down that journey, and if you haven't, get started. This should help you. All right, let's have a look at our first brand here. So this one is BB Dakota, and they've done a really nice job of their campaign. The creative's great. There's a couple of things that stand out in this email. First one is that it's 50% off. Who doesn't want 50% off? It's not store wide though, so you need to pay attention to that. Take 50% off all Black Fall styles, and there is a caveat here as well. We don't know what that is, but if it's all Black Fall styles, hopefully it is. Hopefully it is just that. Now, the thing that you need to consider here is that that America is coming out of fall as we go into their winter months. So these are styles that would likely go on sale anyway, and they're using this as a great opportunity to move on any stock. So if you don't want to do a blanket wide campaign that is off the entire store, then this is a great opportunity for you to move on some old stock. The time frame of this particular campaign is long, which is great. Now, the code is really easy. What I don't know here is whether this code is automatically applied or whether they need to apply this code themselves. Most systems now, and if you can, will allow you to apply the code directly at it's already done for you at checkout. But if it's not, then I would recommend saying to use this code at checkout. But really nice email. The other thing that I could say is that you could include some inspiration with some of the most popular Black Fall styles that might be on sale as part of this campaign. Okay, let's take a look at United by Blue. This one's nice. It's 25% off site-wide and in-store all weekend long. So as opposed to BB Dakota, where they're going for a longer campaign period, these guys are doing it over the entire weekend. Free shipping on all orders. So it's a really juicy offer. Now, what I love about this one is that they've got this menu down the bottom. So it's really easy for you, even though they don't have the menu across the top, which I recommend having them on both, is they've got this menu down the bottom and there's so many clicks that come out of this. And if you don't have this across all of your emails, I highly recommend you adding it because it does improve your click-through rate. All right, let's have a look at P&C Co. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, this probably isn't my favorite email out of all of these. It's up to 30% off. I'm assuming that it's on men's t-shirts, women's t-shirts, all accessories, all women's, all men's. I just feel like this campaign has missed the mark a little bit. There's also free worldwide shipping available, which is a pretty compelling offer as well. It's something that's always on, but people often miss when you do free shipping. It might surprise you. But up to 30% off for how long? Is it just Black Friday? So there's no urgency set in this one that I think is a missed opportunity. And then finally, this one's a really nice one. So if you're a brand that doesn't want to go down the road of discounting, think about people that you can help. So there's a lot of organizations now that are involved in I Equal Change and are funding and helping different communities around the world. And this is a really great example of that. So it lets help heal the planet. They have a target of $200,000 to raise for the Rodale Institute to help US farmers transition their farmland into regenerative organic land. So they've clearly stipulated exactly how they're going to do that, and they're going to be delivering $15 of every single order. So instead of going on sale, this campaign also has come out really early so that they're talking and priming people for what they're going to do on Black Friday. They haven't talked about what products or anything like that. I'm assuming that it's going to be the entire website. But you can also sign up on Wednesday. This is coming, so you can sign up for early access. All right, so there's a couple of different options here for you to have a look at some really great emails that should hopefully inspire you or give you some tips on what you could do better. Good luck with your sales, and we'll see you on the other side.